If you're struggling to save, feeling stuck financially, or just want to build a solid financial foundation, want to save money fast? Whether you're trying to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, or just get your finances in order, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 20 powerful money-saving tips that can help you cut expenses, boost your savings, and reach your financial goals faster than ever. Stick around till the end because these strategies can make a huge difference. Let's jump right into it. Set a clear savings goal. The first step to saving money fast is knowing exactly what you're saving for. Do you want an emergency fund? A vacation? A down payment for a house? Set a specific, realistic goal with a deadline. When you have a clear target, it's easier to stay motivated and disciplined. A clear goal helps direct your financial actions and keeps you accountable to your savings plan. 2. Track your expenses. Before you start saving, you need to know where your money is going. For a week or a month, track every penny you spend. Use a budgeting app or a simple notebook. Once you see your spending habits, you'll identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Tracking expenses creates awareness of unnecessary spending and helps in making better financial decisions. 3. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is your financial roadmap. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. If you want to save faster, increase the savings percentage and cut down on unnecessary expenses. A well-structured budget helps you prioritize financial responsibilities and ensures disciplined spending habits. 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look at your spending and find things you can eliminate or reduce. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home instead of eating out, and avoid impulse purchases. Small savings add up quickly. Cutting unnecessary expenses frees up money for more important financial goals and speeds up savings growth. 5. Use the cash envelope system. If you struggle with overspending, try using cash for variable expenses like groceries, dining out, or entertainment. Withdraw a fixed amount and put it in labeled envelopes. Once the money is gone, you can't spend more. This method helps build financial discipline and prevents overspending by enforcing spending limits. 6. Automate your savings. Make saving effortless by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Treat savings like a bill you must pay. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money elsewhere. Automating savings eliminates the temptation to skip saving and ensures consistency in building financial reserves. 7. Reduce monthly bills. Call your service providers and negotiate lower rates for internet, phone, or insurance. Shop around for better deals on utilities and cut energy costs by turning off unused lights, unplugging electronics, and using energy-efficient appliances. Reducing monthly bills frees up extra cash, which can be redirected to savings for faster growth. 8. Avoid debt and pay off high-interest loans. Debt keeps you from saving money. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards as soon as possible. Use the snowball or avalanche method to eliminate debt efficiently. Eliminating debt improves financial security, reduces stress, and increases the ability to save effectively. 9. Try a no-spend challenge. For a week or a month, challenge yourself to spend only on essentials. No eating out, no unnecessary shopping. Just focus on needs. It's a fun and effective way to boost savings quickly. A no-spend challenge builds better spending habits and highlights how much you can save by reducing excess spending. 10. Earn extra money. Saving money isn't just about cutting expenses, it's also about increasing income. Take up a side hustle, sell items you no longer need, or offer freelance services. The extra income can go directly into your savings. Additional income sources create financial stability and accelerate progress towards savings goals. 11. Use cashback and discounts. Maximize savings by using cashback apps, discount codes, and loyalty programs. Always compare prices before making a purchase and look for the best deals. Cashback and discounts provide additional ways to reduce costs and maximize the purchasing power of your money. 12. Save windfalls and bonuses. Whenever you get unexpected money, like a tax refund, work bonus, or a gift, put it straight into savings instead of spending it. Saving windfalls strengthens financial reserves, helps achieve goals faster, and reduces reliance on regular income. 13. Buy in bulk and plan meals. Purchasing groceries in bulk and meal planning can save you a lot of money. Avoid impulse grocery shopping by making a list and sticking to it. Bulk buying and meal planning prevent food waste and reduce frequent trips to stores, ultimately lowering food expenses. 14. Use public transport or carpool. Cut down on transportation costs by using public transport, carpooling, or biking instead of driving everywhere. Fuel and maintenance costs add up fast. Alternative transportation options save money on gas, reduce wear and tear on your car, and lower overall commuting expenses. 15. Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Retailers constantly tempt you with sales and discounts. Unsubscribe from marketing emails to reduce impulse buying and unnecessary spending. Limiting exposure to advertisements helps resist unnecessary purchases and keeps your focus on savings goals. Try DIY instead of paying for services. Learn to do simple repairs, cut your own hair, or do your own nails instead of paying for expensive services. YouTube tutorials can teach you almost anything. DIY skills reduce service costs, empower self-sufficiency, and contribute to long-term financial savings. 17. Open a high-yield savings account. Keep your savings in a high-interest account so your money grows over time. Look for the best interest rates to maximize your savings. A high-yield savings account ensures that your money works for you by earning compound interest over time. 18. Stop comparing yourself to others. Social media can pressure you to spend money to keep up with trends. Focus on your own financial goals and avoid unnecessary spending just to impress others. Avoiding comparison encourages mindful spending and promotes a more fulfilling, financially responsible lifestyle. 19. Practice the 24-hour rule. Before making a purchase, wait 24 hours. This helps avoid impulse buying and ensures you really need the item before spending money. The 24-hour rule allows time for thoughtful decision-making and prevents regretful, unnecessary spending. 20. Find free entertainment. You don't have to spend a lot to have fun. Look for free activities like hiking, visiting museums on free days, or hosting game nights at home. Free entertainment options provide enjoyable experiences without straining your budget or derailing savings goals. Saving money fast is all about making smart choices and being disciplined. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll see your savings grow in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to improve their financial future. See you in the next one.